Garth Hotel and Country Club is a 15th century manor house and home to a beautiful 9-hole golf course situated in over 70 acres of tranquil parkland. The owners of the hotel have always been environmentally conscious. With the help of the Calibrate Energy engineering team, Garth Hotel and Country Club decided to install a renewable energy ground source heat pump. The system would manage 90% of the hotel's yearly on-site heating and hot water demands. As a leading provider of cost-effective money-making heat pump systems, the Calibrate team were able to draw on their expertise to advise on the best renewable energy system for the site, the next step in the hotel becoming truly energy efficient.
Calibrate were able to offer us a solution by which we would become non-carbon dependent. We would not become slaves to the increase in the prices, which can be very, very sharp and produce a severe shock in a building of this size. They gave us a measure of protection from that, as well as producing a long-term solution so we would become the greenest hotel in the northeast of England.
The process would involve the installation of a bespoke plant room, which would house the main heat pump. Pipes would then connect the plant room to each of the 5 sub-plant rooms located around Garth Hotel and Country Club. Installing a 440 kilowatt ground source heat pump would take advantage of the natural heat produced by the surrounding land. This heat would be used to raise the temperature of the water that will be used in the building's heating system. The newly designed system would heat the hot water radiators in all of the rooms and public areas, which would include the hotel's pub, gym, swimming pool and jacuzzi. The heat pump would not only save money in the first year of its installation by reducing heating costs, but it would also become another revenue stream, making Garth Hotel and Country Club money year on year thereafter due to the government tariff.
There doesn't seem to be a great deal that they cannot work their way around, bearing in mind they're working around a working hotel with all the demands that places as far as making sure our guests don't have a disturbed experience.
The first phase of the groundworks consisted of excavating trenches close to the hotel. These would contain the pipework required to connect all 5 plant rooms to the heat pump. Phase 2 consisted of preparing over 17 kilometers of pipes that would make up the array. These pipes would then be hidden beneath 3 main areas of the golf course's scrubland. Once these groundworks were completed, the pipes that would connect the array to the heat pump were laid. The next phase saw the arrival of the container housing the heat pump. The Calibrate team quickly installed the heat pump, completing the project, with the added benefit of an online control solution to enable a hands-off approach. The overall process took 3 months and was achieved with little to no impact to the environment and the hotel's day-to-day running, with all groundworks that closely surrounded the hotel being completed within 10 days between a wedding and a key event that the hotel had scheduled.
I can honestly say they really do have the can-do attitude. They hit their deadlines. They literally can move mountains as part of their daily work task. And there doesn't seem to be a great deal that they cannot work their way around.
Installing the largest ground source heat pump system in the northeast makes Garth Hotel and Country Club the pioneer of energy efficiency in the hotel industry. The site now benefits from reduced energy costs thanks to the heat pump solution and the expertise and care of the dedicated Calibrate team. Calibrate's expert team of engineers gives a commercial edge that is unique in the renewable energy industry. So confident are Calibrate in their products and workmanship that they offer all of their clients an extended 20-year warranty for that extra peace of mind. Calibrate have a proven track record in how to harness the natural renewable energy resources surrounding any building, which means that they can provide reliable, low-cost heating solutions that make money for their clients. Start reaping the rewards with money-saving, money-making renewable energy